sounds of frustration, sighs, or muttering.
Feeling stuck in your crafting journey? Are your creative projects collecting dust instead of accolades? It's time to turn frustration into inspiration with our dynamic duo, Summer Stitching, creative fabric crafting for adults and teens, and Crafting with Cricut, the ultimate student DIY course. These ebooks are your ultimate crafting companions, packed with innovative ideas, detailed instructions, and expert tips to elevate your skills. Are you tired of uneven cuts, wasted materials, and projects that don't match your vision? Our Cricut guide will transform your precision cutting and design skills, while Summer Stitching opens up a world of fabric possibilities. From chic summer accessories to personalized home decor, these guides empower you to create stunning pieces effortlessly.
I never thought I could craft like this at home. These ebooks taught me everything I needed to know.
My projects are finally turning out as planned, thanks to the easy-to-follow instructions and tips.
Ready to unlock your full crafting potential? Download our ebooks today and receive exclusive bonuses to kickstart your creativity. Click the link below to get Summer Stitching and Crafting with Cricut now. Your creative transformation starts here.